The next trick we're going to work on is a trick called Dr. Strange. It's a cool trick. This one is actually kind of like a sideways Mach 5. It starts with a double or nothing. You cross your hands, pull it tight, and then you move around it just like Mach 5. And when you pull off, ends in a trapeze. First step, double or nothing. Let me show you from this angle. Once you've got your double or nothing, you simply take your throw hand pointer finger and you bring it over your non-throw hand pointer. But you have to make sure that the string that's connected to it that goes underneath the yo-yo comes in front, like that. And what happens is your hand's end sideways like that. Let me show you from this point of view now. So you bring your hand forward, it comes around the pointer finger, and you pull it tight, like so. The next step is you literally take those fingers, just like Mach 5, and you revolve them it's to my right, so if you're right-handed, go to your right. If you're left-handed, go to your left. They revolve around the yo-yo, so you bring it across tight, goes around the yo-yo to the right, like so. And once you're here, take your throw hand pointer finger and drop it in there. You roll once to the left, and if you look real closely at the center, the string's kind of crooked around there. So what you need to do from here is you roll it to your right again, but this time you don't move your left hand. You only move you don't move your throw hand. Like that. Let me show you and break that down again real quick. So you start from double or nothing. You cross, goes over, you drop, like so, pull around, one more time around, it's in trapeze. So one more time with that last step. Comes across, drop. When you're here, watch I move with my left hand, my throw hand doesn't move. And that's what gets that kink out. That's Dr. Strange, and it's a cool trick.